Day 3 in Leh. It's 3 degrees Celsius here in Leh, and we're expecting some snowfall. Now we are heading to one of the best experiences that we can. We're heading off to Khardungla, past the world's highest motorable road. We're hoping to reach there in another 5-6 hours and then head over to Nubra. So let's take a journey to Khardungla then.
Tonight there's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more.
Hey guys, hi guys, we are around 15-20 kilometers from Khardungla Pass, which is the world's highest motorable pass, and we just stopped on a checkpost where we have to show our inner line permits. And I am literally trying to speak, but I can't. It's so damn cold here. The snowfall, the height of the snow is real, and now it's minus 10 degrees.
Achievement you have done, but it's very, very cold.
But how do you like? We're right now 15 kilometers from Khardungla top. It took us some more time than usual, but finally we somehow made it to Khardungla top. I didn't expect a lot of people to be here or this place to be, populated, but I see a lot of army camps. There's a medical facility here for tourists. Amazing. Moon chilling, freezing, shivering. And at the end of the day, you are here. That's